All right, so these have already cooked for 3 minutes, and oh my God, look at how crispy they look, guys. Look at that. We're going to put them over here, and we're going to get the second batch done. Guys, today we are going to be making some crispy chicken wings. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take this bag here, and we're going to chop off that little wing and cut them in half. Don't throw these away. You can actually make a really good stock with these, but I am not going to bore you with all that. All right, so we got those chicken wings all cut up. I'm going to go ahead and drop some eggs in here. These eggs are fresh eggs right out of my backyard, and I picked these 3 up because they're already cracked accidentally. I use 3. You can use only 2, but I use 3 because there's 3 broken eggs, so might as well use all 3. And I have here some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of smoked paprika. We'll go ahead and put maybe about a tablespoon. And we're just going to beat the eggs. All right, so I have some instant corn flour here. So I'm basically cheating a little bit here, guys. I'm using this in lieu of just regular white flour with a little bit of cornstarch. We're going to be using this type of flour. It already has corn in it, so it's going to help stick to the chicken wings, and it's also going to give it a hell of a flavor. So 1.5 cups. Take some more of that seasoning and just get in there and just mix around a little bit. Just like that. We have our flour mix and we have our eggs. Take the chicken wings, put a couple of them inside of flour. Take them out. And we're going to put them right inside the egg. Dredge them. And the egg. All right. Around the egg a little bit. You guys can see what we're doing here. All right. And then we're going to take them. We're going to put them right back into the flour. Oh, see? Like that. Your hands are going to get dirty. There's nothing you can do about it. But I really don't care. I like getting my hands dirty. All right. Get these done. And once they look like that, just pat them down a little bit. Just lay them right on your cutting board. And you're just going to let these hang out for a few minutes while we get the rest of them done. I have my Hamilton Beach little fryer here. It's already come at the temperature. Go ahead and put these wings in here. They've already sat for a little bit and they got nice and dry. So go ahead and drop these in. You don't want to fill up the pan too much. We'll go with, let's see. Yeah, we'll go with 8 right now. We'll just put 8 in there. And you're just going to let these sit. And we're going to let these cook for 3 minutes. Then we're going to take them out. Get the rest of them done for 3 minutes, take them out, and then we're going to fry them again for another 8 minutes to make sure they're completely cooked through. And when they come out, I'm telling you, they're going to be so crispy delicious. It's insane. All right, so these have already cooked for 3 minutes, and oh my God, look at how crispy they look, guys. Look at that. We're going to put them over here, and we're going to get the second batch done. Okay, the second batch is out. We're going to lay them out here. What we're going to do is we're going to let the oil get back up to temperature. When that green light comes on, we're going to cook these again for an additional 8 minutes. And in that way, we know that the chicken wings are completely cooked. All right, guys, these are done. And I mean, they just came out extra crispy. Crunchy crispy, which is what I like. And they're juicy on the inside. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Again, thanks for watching and subscribing. I love you. God bless and happy eats.